Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this class, I am going to start the new topic infinite sequence. In this chapter, we study sequence of real numbers and its properties, convergence of a sequence, divergence of a sequence, and oscillations of a sequence. Example, consider set A equals set of 1, 1 by 2, minus 1, 7 by 2, square root of 2. It is a finite set because this set has finite number of elements, so it is finite set. And B equals set of 1, 1 by 2, minus 1, 7 by 2, square root of 2, cube root of 7 is an infinite set because it has infinite number of elements. Now consider the set D equals set of 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and so on and so forth with a special property that each term is a power of 1 by 2. Here this can be written as 1 by 2, 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 8 can be written as 1 by 2 whole cube. Here each term is a power of 1 by 2 from 1 to infinity. So D is called infinite sequence. It has one special property, so it is called sequence, and the elements are infinite in number, therefore it is called infinite sequence. In an infinite sequence, a very natural number is associated with the corresponding elements. Definition: a sequence is defined to be a mapping. It's a mapping function from set of natural numbers to the set of real numbers. This is called a sequence. Sequence is a mapping from the set of natural numbers to the set of real numbers is called a sequence. Equality of two sequences. Suppose sequence u1 and sequence vn are two sequences, then said to be they are said to be equal if and only if u1 equals vn for every n belongs to n. u1 equals vn for every n belongs to n. Now these are the examples of sequences. Sequence n. If n is 1, then the set of 1. If n is 2, 2. If n is 3, 3 and so on n and so on and so forth. This is called sequence n. Similarly, the sequence 1 by n is put n equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That is set of 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and so on, 1 by n and so on and so forth. Third one, sequence minus 1 power n plus 1. If you put n equals 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 power 2 is 1. If you put n equals to 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 1 power 3 is minus 1. If you put n equals 3, we get 1. This is the sequence. Sequence 2n is 2, 4, 6 and so on and so forth. Sequence 2n minus 1 is 1, 3, 5 and so on. Sequence of n plus 1 by n is n by n plus 1 by n. That is 1 plus 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 3 and so on. Here first term is u1, second term is called u2, third term is u3 and so on. Seventh example, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and so on and so forth. Here u1 is 1, u2 is 2, u3 is 3, u4, u5, u6 and so on. Whatever it may be, the value is 4. Therefore, for n greater than or equals 4, u1 is 4. Next, constant sequence. A sequence is said to be a constant if u1 is some k constant for all n belongs to n. Here set of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here u1 is 1. u1 is 1, u2 is 1, u3 is 1, u4 is 1. Whatever may be the value of n, this is 1. The value is n. In general, u1 equals k for some n belongs to n. Note, the sequence 1 by n tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. The sequence 1 by n nothing but 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. This sequence tends as if n tends to infinity, it becomes very large value. 1 by infinity is 0. Then the sequence 1 by 2 power n minus 1 is, put n equals 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 power 0 is 1. So 1. Put n equals 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 power 1. 1 by 2. We get 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and so on. This sequence also tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. If n is infinity, 2 power infinity is infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. So it tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. Third one, minus 1 power n. Put n equals 1. Minus 1 power 1 is 1 minus 1. N is 2. Minus 1 square is 1. N is 3. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. N is 4. Minus 1 power 4 is 1. It does not tend to a unique limit because the limits are 1 and minus 1. Here the limit is minus 1 if n is odd number. For n is odd number, we get the value is minus 1 and we get 1 if n is even number. Therefore the limit is 1 or minus 1 according as n is even or odd. Definition: a sequence un is said to tend to a limit L as n tends to infinity if given epsilon greater than 0 however small, there exists a positive integer n such that un minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than n. Here this is called limit of a sequence. A sequence, this is a sequence, it tends to the value L. The values of the sequence un approaches to L when this n approaches to infinity. Here if epsilon is a positive number which is very small positive number such that modulus of un and L, difference of un and L is less than that smallest positive number for all n greater than n. This can be written as sequence un tends to L as n tends to infinity, or limit of this sequence as n tends to infinity is equal to this L. That is, if modulus of un minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than or equals n, limit un as n tends to infinity equals L. Here un lies between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon. Okay. Examples by using definition of limit of a sequence. Sequence un equals 1 by n. We already know that limit of this sequence tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. We know that limit of 1 by n as n tends to infinity is 0. To verify this, choose epsilon equals 1 by 10. This is the smallest number and it is greater than 0. So there exists a positive integer n such that 1 by n tends to 0. This is L. This is un minus L less than epsilon by the definition of limit of a sequence. Un 1 by n minus L 0 less than epsilon 1 by 10 for all n greater than or equals 10. 1 by n minus 0 is 1 by n less than 1 by 10. Cross multiplication 10 less than n. This implies n greater than 10. This inequality holds for n greater than or equals 11. N greater than 10 nothing but n value may be 11 or 12 or 13 and so on. Or instead of this we can write n greater than or equals 11 may be equal to 11, greater than 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Therefore n, capital N equals this one, this format. Capital N equals 11. Hence, corresponding to the epsilon 1 by equals 1 by 10, we found a positive number 11 such that modulus of 1 by n minus 0 less than 1 by 10 for all n greater than or equals 11. Hence, limit of sequence 1 by n equals 0. Similarly, second example, sequence n plus 1 by n. The given sequence is sequence n plus 1 by n. This can be written as n by n plus 1 by n. Okay, n by n nothing but 1 plus 1 by n. This tends to, see here, as n tends to infinity, this value tends to 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Consider epsilon equals 1 by 100. Then there exists a positive integer n such that un minus l less than epsilon. Okay, un is 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 less than 1 by 100 for all n greater than or equals n. This can be written as 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 less than 1 by 100. 1 minus 1 cancel, modulus of 1 by n less than 1 by 100. Or this can be written as 1 by n less than 1 by 100, cross multiplication 100 less than n. Okay, that can be written as n is greater than 100 for all n greater than or equals n. This inequality holds for all, and here we have to write in this form: n greater than 100 or n greater than or equals 101. This is capital N, this form. Therefore n equals 101. Hence, corresponding to epsilon equals 1 by 100, we have found a positive integer 101 such that modulus of n plus 1 by n minus 1 less than 1 by 100 for all n greater than or equals 101. Therefore, limit of sequence n plus 1 divided by n equals 1.